The nutritional link between the mother and the child continues even after the birth. The newborn baby depends for some period alone on breast milk for his existence. Today here in this video, let us go through the dietary guidelines and suggested recipes for lactating mothers. Nutritional requirements are maximum during lactation compared to any other age group in women's life. Hence, the diet should be balanced and meet the requirement. The lactating mother should be encouraged to take different beverages. Low-calorie diets are not recommended for obese because it may decrease breast milk production. Caffeine-containing beverages should be limited to 2 cups per day. Postpartum is a time of psychological and biological transition that may affect dietary behavior. Thank you for watching the video. We hope that this will be useful for all the lactating mothers over there. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends and family and do support and subscribe. Thank you.